Cesar the Magic Sneezer. Tale 1. Caesar's magic sneeze can be rather funny.
Ah-choo!
Like the time it transformed him into a cute bunny. He ate lots of carrots and dandelions too, leaving behind a trail of small rabbit poo. Tale 2. Caesar's magic sneeze can make his mood brighter.
Ah-choo!
Like the time it transformed him into a house spider. He had fun spinning silk to build a strong web, but got overwhelmed and tangled his legs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you and your friends never miss an adventure.
Ah-choo!